All right, keep them coming down the chute. We're clear for the holding area now. Keep them moving toward the chutes. Clear the gate on the left. Let's go, move up. Keep them steady, watch the horns. Clear on the left. Easy, easy now. Keep them moving to the right, gently now. Watch the gate, they're clear.
Keep them moving to Bay 4. Bay 4 confirmed.
All systems clear on line 3.
Good.
Good. The rinse cycle is holding steady.
Check the flank area, minimal scarring.
Confirmed. Data uploaded to the main server. Horns look good, measuring at 22 centimeters.
Noted. Hide quality is excellent, minimal defects.
The texture here is exceptional.
Yes, very smooth, high quality yield.
All right, lane 4 is ready for transfer. Confirmed. Moving them to the white horn department. Check the flank area here.
Looks good, minimal scarring. I'm logging it as premium quality.
All checks are complete on this group. Everything looks good.
Okay, I'll log it in the system now.
All right, send the next group. Steady on the left, keep moving.
Directing Group A to white horn processing.
Confirmed. Group B to premium leather manufacturing.
Utilizing precise laser scanning, the robotic arms meticulously polish the Brahman horn sections, achieving a flawless, luxury-grade finish.
Approved. The finish is excellent.
I'm seeing a slight variation in the texture right here.
Yeah.
Yes, but it's within tolerance for the Brahman. Note the finish quality as exceptional.
Check the grain on this section, boss. Looks perfect. Send it through to the conveyor.
Looks good. The texture is spot on.
Agreed. Let's send it to manufacturing.
The Grey Brahman collection represents the pinnacle of craftsmanship, transforming horn and leather into objects of desire.
Look at this grain, it's near perfect. The consistency here is exactly what we aim for.
Yes, the drying stage is complete on these. We can move them to finishing.
Check the stitching here. It's perfect. Yes, the texture is flawless, ready for shipment.
The grain on this batch is exceptional.
Agreed. Thickness is uniform across the sheet.